Hello everyone and welcome to my latest video on my YouTube channel, Digger Evans. Today I'm going to show you these watercolor pencils. AK Interactive do a load and they're a fair price to them. So I thought I'd try out some and see if they were any good, if they were necessary, because we've already got a lot of things to do weathering with, which is your powders, acrylics, enamels and what have you. So I went online and I got this cheap set, £2 or £3 delivered. I think £2.99, which $2 or $3, same thing. Now I'm going to show you how they work. Just get some of these. I'll start with a black. The thing is with these, we can apply them very, very accurately because there's only a tiny amount of space at the end of the brush, at the end of the pencil, you know, so we can apply them accurately. And the thing is, we can apply watercolors with a brush and what have you, but these give it a bit of an edge, I think. We just start by just marking it up, you know, where you'd see sort of accumulated muck and water run. That's only ever so slight is that. I've put that on, and now how I'm going to make it look a bit more authentic is I've got some water in here and a Q-tip, cotton bud, whatever you call them, wherever you're from. Dip it in, wring it out so it's just ever so slightly damp, and then I'm just going to gently rub it onto that. Let the water get into it and blend it in like that. You can add more or less, or whichever, and if you put too much on you can just wash it completely off. Now the other way of doing it is get the pencil, dip that into the water. Don't dip it all in, just dip, just wet the end of the pencil. If you dip it all in, wood pencil, it'll soak it all up. And again, I'm just going to do this edge along under the window where we get some muck, and you can see that's really dark because it's wet, because I've wet the pencil beforehand, and now it just blends away. And because we're using water, you know, it gives a washed out effect, you know, so it's the water's run down the building. I've used it before on a different thing. I can't remember what it was now. Oh, the last scratch building I did, and it kind of looked okay. And we'll keep going like this. Now, where water accumulates, if it's not tidied up, you know, and regularly cleaned, if it sits damp, it starts getting green and stuff. So I'm going to put some of the green colour down here. This pack I've got is just some of the primary colours, just a bit of green creeping up, and it's very cheap. The specialist sets you get from AK and what have you, they have that's actually rubbing it off. I've put too much water on, so I'll just go back, put a bit more green on it. You just keep playing with it till you get something that looks like what you're trying to achieve. And that's just showing a bit of green and muck in that corner. So I'm going to do right along this edge. I'm going to do the black. I'm going to do the black on there next. You can get specialist sets, like I say, from AK and what have you, like a specialist rust set or a dirt set and what have you. and those are probably worth getting. But you can see there now that's taking shape and looking a bit better. Really is. Just with those pencils, dead easy. Now, what I will say is, we've already got lots of stuff to do the weathering with, and this is going to take me a while to do it all like this. But for just touching up little corners and just adding that extra bit of tinge of a colour here and there and what have you, these are ideal. These are ideal, and for the money they're well worth it. These will last forever, won't they? You know, and for that price it's got to be worth it. So that was just a quick video showing you how I use watercolour pencils for weathering. Thank you all very much for looking in. Bye bye for now.